Did you know that according to Igbo tradition, that infidelity, also known as adultery, it's a very grave offense against Allah, the earth goddess?
Under the cola tree, our stories unfold.
And when a woman is being caught in such, or a woman is being accused of such, there must be a thorough investigation to find out whether she really did it. And if indeed she did it, there are rituals that must be performed to cleanse the land.
Under the cola tree, our stories unfold.